the best I have come across. Not for that reason, obviously. Like, just generally speaking, he's a good dancer, okay? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Herrera here. I hope that you are all doing well. I need help. I don't know when I'm going to post these videos and I'm not hearing from you real time, so I'm really struggling. It's been 24 hours since I discovered Rain and I need help. So I've found a few things that I can sit and watch today, and then I'm just going to have to shut up and wait until I decide to post all of this and I hear back from you. Please have a look at the description below to see what I'm including in this. Live stages, live performances, debut stages. I'm so excited. Can we go? Let's go.
이어서 박진영의 2002 뉴 프로젝트 스타 B의 무대입니다. 나쁜 남자.
They actually have police cars on stage. Ooh. You're telling me that this kid is producing that voice? Like, I can believe it. Killing voice time. I can believe that that man was creating this voice for this kid right here, and he just got busted miming as well. But we'll let it go because it's his debut stage, and he's dancing full out, and he looked spectacular. But can I tell you a really funny story? I looked like that as a child. I'll have to show you pictures of when I was little. I kid you not. I looked like that when I was a child. I think I even had that hairstyle. Dude. Every single time I mention my most favorite debut song, I will be including this. It's so good. I love it. Fight choreography. I cannot figure out his voice. I don't know what has happened to me. Maybe first gen is where I'm supposed to be. And all this time I was thinking it was second gen. My whole life is a lie. I'm not okay. You better not be laughing on the other side. Look at this flow. This is such a clever section of the song. Nobody debuts like this anymore. I'm just gonna say it. I'm not wrong. It's a fact. You can't disagree, because that's a fact. I'd love for him to rework this as like a ballad. I guess that the whole essence of the song is the fact that this is what's going on stage. That was a killer debut stage. He looked so baby, yet so damn ready to hit this planet. And I was not ready for what hit this planet either. Let's please continue. I'm so desperate.
Everybody make some noise!
You can just tell by the body who that is. You don't even have to see his face. It's the way he moves. And I'm not even exaggerating when I tell you that actually he's my most favorite dancer I've discovered to date in the K-pop industry. I've come across some fantastic dancers, and I totally believe that some of the fourth gen are killer. They are out of this world, but they are not to this level. Like, this is the best I have come across. Not for that reason, obviously. Like, just generally speaking, he's a good dancer, okay? This is risque. I mean, I thought he was performing Rainism, but this is just turning into something else. The audience there were just not ready. Look at him, he's tanned as well. He just looks like Lee Juno, or the other way around. It's frustrating. I need to find footage of Lee Juno performing this song. Hottest, where are you? Help. It's like his microphone is on and I can hear him, but it's at a different frequency or something to the rest of the track. Why don't they have solo artists out there anymore? That freaking voice.
Break it down. Oh, 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 oh.
This is one hell of a performance. It's so full on. There is no opportunity for him to breathe for a second. But I'm so pleased he is singing live. I mean, how appropriate is it for him to be performing a song like this during an award function?
This is crazy. What? Yeah.
This poor man and his breathing, that mic is so up.
Bring the beat back. Yeah.
He's so fluid in his movements. I absolutely love it. And his body weight has a lot to do with that too. I love to see a man that actually has some body weight. Like, there are some fantastic dancers in Korea, and a lot of them are really, really slight. And okay, it works good for angles and for lines and things, but actually, if we're talking about connect to the ground, then people that have a similar weight to this are exactly where you need to be. I think I'm going slightly out of time just for a second because the next video is an award performance, and I want to save that for last. I just need to see him do this choreography. Look at that peach. There, I said it. I got it out of my system. I will do it no longer.
Dirty, sexy, dirty, 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 sexy, dirty, dirty.
He looks tall as well, right? His just body proportions are great. Yeah. This man knows where the camera is at all times. Imagine being this fabulous. So he's obviously very well recognized as a leading artist, right, in first gen. But is he well awarded? Did he do really well? Did he win lots of awards? I know that the two don't necessarily go hand in hand. Look at those chicks. They're so hot. God, his voice is just something else, honestly. Clearly, dance is a huge part in the artist that he is. I just cannot imagine him like sat on a stool singing or something. I'm sure he does, but you'd feel shortchanged if you didn't dance. But I just know that these music award performances are pretty killer, iconic. This was one hell of an award function because this is the place where Big Bang also performed, right? I've reacted to that. This night. What the hell? Why would you do that? Oh wow, is he really gonna sing this live? Look at this outfit, it's ridiculous. This is borderline Lee Juno in 2PM's All Day I Think of You. But I like it. Oh.
What's up, Hunko? Are you ready, Maximo? Everybody.
He's getting them all to do it, I love it. Where's he gone? He's disappeared. Is he gonna appear in the center of that?
This is hit song rock tonight. This is hit song rock tonight. This is hit song rock tonight. Everybody back some more.
Oh, did he change? Oh, he took off his jacket. I heard a part of this, didn't I? In Killing Voice. I'm not being funny because I obviously love a lot of current artists and generations after this, but he kind of seems a little bit too big for this stage. Like, as in, I don't know, he's just a little bit above this. I don't really know how to explain it. Okay, let me explain it in a really weird way. So The Rock, aka Dwayne Johnson, he started off his career in the WWE as a wrestler. He then went on to become an actor, and not just any actor, an incredibly successful actor at that. And sometimes when he goes back to the WWE, so I'm a wrestling fan, this is why I'm giving you this example, okay? Don't laugh. So sometimes when he goes back to WWE and then he partakes in some of that cringe stuff, I'm not saying this is cringe, this is just an example. Um, you sometimes think, wow, why does a massive star like that need to do this? Like, it kind of feels like a small stage. And that's what I'm feeling for this. So I just feel like he's so beyond this. Like, if he were to just never perform again, obviously I would absolutely hate that. So many people would hate that. But I just don't know. Like, I think he deserves his own stage rather than coming to perform at an award function, you know? It just doesn't seem to do him justice. Have I just dug myself a massive grave with what I said? Like, he's not going to get true appreciation on a stage like this, I feel. I think we should make it rain on the stage.
What's up, Hong Kong? Yeah, say ho, say ho, ho, say ooh la la. Make some noise. Come on.
Oh. Oh my god, that whole thing is shaking. I think you should jump through the middle now and land in like a pool of water, shirtless. They can do it.
Thank you. Have a good night.
That was everything I expected it to be. Absolutely awesome. The fact that he didn't perform Rainism here, I think is an absolute crime. I think that he must always perform that, especially if he's doing a medley. It must always be the last thing that he's performing. This was fantastic. I'm so glad that I sat down to watch that debut stage. I think that, yeah, I'm always going to remember that as being one of the top, the second best debut song of all time. And if I'm thinking overall package, then the best debut package. He was just fantastic, right? That's how you debut a solo artist. And that's kind of what's missing. Growing up, I was never really into bands, like girl groups, boy groups. I was never really into them. I always liked solo artists. And then coming into K-pop, I loved their voices, but this was all really new to me. And I have really enjoyed getting to know the groups. I have really fallen in love with them. And I've been lucky enough that the people I've fallen in love with also pursue solo activities as well. So I get to enjoy a little bit of what I'm more used to. And, just have like 4 or 5 minutes of that one voice that I really love and adore. And here I'm discovering an artist who is a solo, right? Despite I still have to look into fan club, but he is a solo artist and I get all of that and just him. And it's just a massive win-win situation for me. Now, I'm really struggling, if you haven't been able to tell through this, and I am desperate for your help. I'm really hoping that you have some sort of telepathic abilities that you can feel from there and this on this time that I need to do more of this, and I don't know when I'm going to post these, so I don't know when I'm actually going to be able to talk to you about this stuff. But I hope that someone drops me a comment and just talks to me about him, or something happens, like world, universe, make it happen. Talk to me about these performances I included in this video today. Talk to me about Rain. Help me, please. I am begging. I am on my knees. Help me. Thank you so much for joining me for that reaction. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please do subscribe to my channel for lots more content. Like the video if you liked it, of course. And until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.